Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Mantra 2. Today we are going to learn about modal auxiliary verbs. So without a further go, let's get started. The modal auxiliary verbs: types, ability, permission, advice, obligation, possibility. Modal verbs. Modal verbs can, could. Ravi can speak 4 languages. He could speak fluent English when he was 9. Can, could, may. Can I sit here please? Could I close the window? May I borrow your grammar book? Should. You should visit your family doctor once a year. You should try to lose weight. Must, have to. I must memorize all the Indian states. I have to file reports every week. Might, may, could, can. I might watch another episode. It might rain this afternoon. You may bring a partner to our event. Modal verbs asking permission: can, could, may, would. Modal verbs asking permission: informal. Can. Can I borrow your book for a minute? How can you say this? Polite. Could. Could I park my car here? Could I have some more tea? Formal. May. I may need your help on this project. He may be waiting for us. May I ask a question please? May we go home now? Polite. Would. Would you like a piece of apple pie? I would like to have some milk. So this is all about modal auxiliary verbs in this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates the course. Thank you.